Yes, hello. Back to you guys again with another one. Today is I know they're doing much well on the side yet. Definitely won't get the chance to clean these. I won't get taken off yet. But I need bearings for the other hubs I have, so I just want at least when I change these out, I just everything that come off, other one on, no problem, everything seal up. And I need the brake drums. No wait. This thing been perplexing me. So I just remember now like well the hubs though I get that, then I can get the brakes, brake suits and the little um brake drum, yeah. And that's all, no problem. Yes, these were strong, but these are headaches. So and I definitely not using them. But I'll tell you the truth, I take this over 20 log in a day. So yeah. Today is basically I go in, clean out the cab, wash it off what I can do. Simple little cosmetic inside too. I gonna try to see what I can accomplish inside, which is a tad bit dusty and dirty, but not a little Cayman and cleaning can't fix it, you know. So the headliner won't be touched because that's getting ripped out soon. So I take that out so I can just at least clean up what I can. Then that's probably a little move for today. That's about it. I was looking at these. These I may take. I definitely gonna take out. I definitely gonna take this out. That one may stay. Who knows? Depending. But I looking put all two seats air ride. More comfort. 'Cause, you know, as you can see back then, it wasn't on that back then. You just get in, do your work. So that's the motor for today. And probably like, open this up too. Check this out. Well, the other side, cause that window not coming up. I need to shoot this one. Safe to say, do not touch that. So that's basically the motor for today, and I'll probably set the camera where you can kind of see the little work in progress. Not much, as I say, but let's do this. So I've been here. I think let me see the time here now. I think like 2 hours now. So I kind of did some cleaning there, clean the steering wheel, sweep out that, sweep in the dust, which let me give you a view on. That had some dirt, like something that was there, but swept off. So yeah, they really get to hit inside the weight, but did what I could. Now we're gonna do it outside. I mean, it's glass crack. Kind of pointless wash, but I mean, better than get a little cleansing, at least something. And then I board over there, start breaking right, put my foot there, so I like, whoop, that's a new. So the door's not really working. My best bet gonna be is take this cap off for sure though. This I need to take this off because I did not even know this has a tank on it here. I'm like, wow. So I don't know if that's like a secondary tank that was for the back or what, but definitely for sure that going inside. That not staying inside, yeah. Because I don't need that this year at all. I don't need that. I down on the bottom would need it. Other if a bulldozer operator or whatever. But yep, so far that's kind of the mess. I'm gonna break this up later. You know, it's be a home for rats, other bugs, stuff like that. So that's it for right now. Until I gonna get some grub because man kind of hungry still. But all this, yeah, and I like this. I just want to see if how it look a little bit worse and then. How it look now? Peekaboo. So I'll do what I can. I got all two links, but Mm. Oh, funny enough, when I took out the wiper on the passenger side, clink, it just broke off right in my hand. Like, wow. So that one seems to be intact. That one there. Other one? Yep, down. So, like I said, I did what I can. This glow not even closing. None of the locks isn't working, so mine's spread out open. And that. So for right now, that's about it. That's a little bit kind of cleaner than I did inside. And I touched the door though. Yeah. Minor. It don't lock in, but it kind of holds, so not good enough. So it's Good Friday evening. I don't know. I don't know if I got sorry guys, but like I said this morning, a little bit cleaning. A bit better in here. I didn't finish the sleep on that was from this year. So that was on that. On the other hand, I went and cleaned up some more. I want to hit with the hose, some dislocated soap, and kind of scrub. So it's a little bit better than what you got saw before, but I not hit this spot up here, nor there. Yeah, that's some serious dirt. So I'm gonna be getting a press hole. So like, been contemplating on saying getting one. I think it's no. I need to get one. So I need once I get that, I'm gonna get this press the walls. Cause my whole plan is to keep this theme. Same gray, light gray, whatever. That's the plan here. I definitely want to keep this as well. Definitely want to keep that. And maybe as well get if they do have lights, like I think there's another indicator light here, like a small one. I'm gonna put that right here, or amber, So that's the plan for today. Well, that's it. I actually been stopped around since 2 o'clock. So that's it for sure. But yeah, kind of satisfied with that. So probably gonna get a press wall, so they're gonna be hitting out the outside. And just doing what I can. I think what I can hit off. Get this off as well. I would say probably Sunday. Get this off and probably this as well. I'm not too sure, but making baby steps. These here. Yep, definitely gonna get G chains because I mean, well, when you look at that, well, this thing's all you saw it all. Right? So, I think they're not too bad, but then again, maybe take them apart, hit off the rust, see if we still have a stern. If not, then I just order brand new set and done. So that's all for today. So before, after. So I'll be back when I have press washing and go and do all the cleaning later.